Come tell me about the bike. What's up, guys? Random video today. I'm riding my mate's bike here. Introduce yourself. This is Alan. I shot his wedding ages ago, and this is his R1. It's got a bunch of shit done to it. He's test riding this Ducati Street Fighter V2, and I thought I'd take his bike out for a ride. So, so it's been tuned, right?
Yeah, so it's 185 at the rear wheel, only on 98.
Yeah, 185 at the rear wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got rear sets, aero pipe. Are you trading it in here? Or are you going to sell it?
No, I'm going to sell it.
Yeah.
Fuck that, I get like no money for it.
Yeah, I know, right? Alright, let's go for a ride. Fire it up. Fuck! Fucking hell. It's so loud. So now it's in just a traction controls on and everything?
Yep, so
yeah.
we've got power mode 1, TCS 3, slide control 3, brake mode 1. You've also got lift control. I've got it at the lowest setting.
That's fine.
It won't really bring the front wheel up.
Yeah, cool. Alright, sweet. Let's go. First time in an R1. Actually, no, it's a lie. I've ridden one of the old ones a long time ago. But it's the first time on a modern one. Oh, it's so loud. It's so uncomfortable. Should be fun. I don't know if there'll be a lot of talking in this video, but I'll try. Fuck, this thing's a weapon. Fucking hell. This thing is fast. Street Fighter is such a good looking bike. The quick shift is nice on this. Oh, this thing has so much power, it's ridiculous. There's no way I'm opening it up. Listen to that quick shifter. I've only got one gear. Oh man. There he goes. This thing is awesome. thing is like just straight up a track, like precision tool. It's probably a good way to ensure you're not going to have any more kids as well. Fucking hell. Hell, gonads. I'm being nicely cupped by Ellen's used seat. I reckon the Panigale, fucking hell, the suspension's hard. The Panigale is more comfortable than this, from my memory. Sounds fucking amazing, but it's pointless on these roads, you know. It's the thing with sports bikes, you know, like there's so much weight on my wrists, and I haven't even been riding that long, but you know, if I was going to the gym and I had more core strength, it would probably be better. Well, it would definitely be better, but I'm in second gear going 80k an hour and I'm not even close to even tickling redline. What do you think?
I can feel like the signature Ducati heat.
Yeah, the V4 is way worse.
No, it's nice. It's maybe it's not quite what I'm looking for though.
Yeah, you're not because of the power or the handling or what?
Nah, the power and the handling are fine.
What are you not liking?
It's smooth. Like it comes on throttle real nice and it is easy to ride.
Yeah.
I think it's the engine type for me. I know that's really like finicky, but
yeah.
I think I prefer chipples.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Something just a bit smoother. It's nice, but it's not like...
Yeah, it's been a while since I've ridden it. Yeah, it feels sketchy, eh? This is like my arms are gonna break, but I know it's predictable. Ah! This thing is so fast. Since I rode the Panigale, but I wouldn't think this is faster, but it feels, give me the same feeling of insanity.